If your replacement door stop starts to splinter or tear when you remove or fit it, stop and reassess before continuing. Start by backing the stop out gently using a thin pry bar and painter's putty knife to avoid widening splits. Inspect the entire length to identify the full extent of the damage and determine whether a patch will hold or a full replacement is needed. If the splintering is limited to the surface, cut a new stop from clear, straight-grained, primed pine or poplar sized to match the original, coping the end where it meets the head jamb so it seats without force. When trimming on site, scribe the stop to the jamb and remove no more than a 1/16 of an inch at a time so you do not create gaps or an overly tight fit. Lightly sand any rough edges and apply a thin bead of carpenter's glue in the cut face before nailing so the wood fibers bond and the tear stops propagating. Use a high-quality brad nailer or finish nails set just below the surface and fill the holes with wood filler. Then prime and paint to seal the cut ends and prevent future moisture-driven splitting. Common mistakes are forcing a tight piece, in which case the wood will split farther. Instead, remove material evenly and test fit frequently so the stop seats without stress. Another issue is using low-density or knotty wood, which tears easily. Choose clear, straight-grained stock and, if necessary, glue a thin sacrificial strip to reinforce a marginal piece before installation. People also skip sealing cut ends and nail holes, which lets moisture cause new splits. Always seal with primer or a thin coat of latex or oil-based paint immediately after installation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to door jamb and trim repair. We also connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.